Have you ever wondered how a rain garden can contribute to a healthier environment while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space? Let's dive into the intriguing world of rain gardens. These are specialized gardens designed specifically to soak up rainwater, particularly water that falls on rooftops, driveways, walkways, or lawns. Not only do they serve an eco-friendly purpose, but they also offer a visually pleasing element to your surroundings. Now you might wonder what makes rain gardens so beneficial. Rain gardens serve as a natural filter for rainwater runoff, reducing the amount of pollution reaching creeks and streams. They play a crucial role in managing stormwater runoff, which otherwise could overwhelm sewer systems and lead to flooding. By capturing and slowly releasing this water, rain gardens prevent harmful pollutants from contaminating our waterways. Additionally, these gardens become a haven for wildlife, providing a nurturing habitat for a variety of species. But that's not all. Rain gardens aid in recharging our groundwater supply, a critical resource for both humans and ecosystems. They also combat soil erosion by holding the soil in place and preventing it from being washed away during heavy rains. But the benefits of rain gardens extend beyond just the environment. Rain gardens add beauty to your property and provide a unique habitat for birds and butterflies. Their visual appeal can increase your property value, making them a worthwhile investment. They're also an excellent way to provide educational opportunities, offering a chance to learn about native plants and local ecosystems. Plus, creating a rain garden can foster a sense of community, as neighbors come together to protect the environment. With all these benefits, it's clear that rain gardens are a win-win solution for your home and the environment. So, isn't it time you considered adding a rain garden to your green space? Imagine the environmental benefits, not to mention the aesthetic appeal. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, keep gardening.